Hi, my name is Lydia Nyawera from Kenya. I am a true proud member of Crowd1. Truly, Crowd1 impossible is nothing. I just cleared my high school last year, 2019. I gifted myself today with this car. Wow, I admire this car because of Crowd1. Through my trust in God and always supporting my team. Surely, if you are a true leader, always support your team. You can't do anything without your team. Your team will take you far ahead. First of all, make sure they get their fear of loss. Within their 2 weeks, they get their 4 people. Always motivate them and show them there's dream, there's hope in life. Personally, I joined last year, December 2019, and I never got serious at first. But my mom used to encourage me, motivated me, and always pushed me on watching Zoom. If you watch Zoom, truly, Zoom will teach you a lot of things. Through Zoom, it motivated me, it enlarged me, and it enabled me to work hard. And Zoom enabled me on how to do the business. This is my first car. What about my second car? And I'm just only 20 years. I'm just a high school leaver. In fact, I've not even stayed 1 year outside from high school. If you see my car, it's a 4-wheel. What about my second car? Will I buy a chopper? Will I buy a train? Now the world belongs to me. I'll buy every part. We normally been told, if you're in a certain country, make sure most part of the country belongs to you. Truly, Crowd1, impossible is nothing. Come guys, see my car. Can't you see it's brand new car, black in color. Now I want the least person to join Crowd1 to join with a black package. Come and see my car. This is my car. It's called RVR, the new model. Always be serious on attending Zoom meetings. Zoom meetings enables you to get more knowledge. Surely, knowledge is power. Through Zoom meetings, you get more testimonies, more encouragement, especially our mentor, Regina. Regina, you normally encourage, especially me, so much. Every time I normally watch Zoom meetings so that I hear Regina speaking because her words normally wake me up. Imagine a Form 4 leaver, how I used to admire the South African young people like me, successful. What about me? They're not more special than me. We both have 2 ears. We both have 2 eyes. So, same to me, I can do it. I used to have to ask myself how I used to admire them. So other young people admire me so as well. Through Crowd1, impossible is nothing. Watch me as I drive my own car. Let me welcome my mom and my small brother. Crowd1 impossible is nothing. Bye-bye.
Crowd1.com